Hello, I would like to show you some questions for practice. You can try these questions to solve based on the concepts, formulas that we have discussed. You can copy down. The other set of sums are. There are also answers given along with this. Solving these questions will surely make your base concrete. You will grasp up the formulas, you will learn how to apply them, how to use them. Practice makes man perfect. That is what I mean to say. This is the third page. I will be solving some of the questions from this in the coming videos. Next page we have some questions and then the answers. So these are the answers that you can refer to here. And for all those questions whose answers are not there, they are all prove that type of the sums. Okay, fine. Let us try to solve the question one. The first question that I will take is, that is, if 5 sin square theta plus 3 cos square theta is equals to 4, then we have to find out the value of sin theta and cos theta. Right? How do we do it? So simple. Taking the question, this can be written as 2 sin square theta plus 3 sin square theta plus 3 cos square theta is equals to 4. 2 sin square theta, taking out 3 common, sin square theta plus cos square theta is equals to 4. This becomes 1. 2 sin square theta, 3 shifted on this side, so 4 minus 3 is 1. Sin square theta is 1 by 2, which furthermore leads sin theta is equals to 1 by root 2. Therefore, we conclude that theta is equals to pi by 4. And also, cos theta is under root of 1 minus sin square theta. So, sin square theta is 1 by root 2 square. So, this one also if you solve again you get 1 by root 2. So, the values of sin theta and cos theta we have found out. The next question that we are going to discuss is question number 2, that if x and y are the two variables, these variables are real and unequal, then for these two terms we have to prove whether cosec theta equal to 2xy upon x square plus y square. Is this possible? That is what the question says. Now for this question, let us try to solve out. Since cosec theta is given, we can write down sin theta will be equal to x square plus y square upon 2xy. Next, x and y are real and unequal, right? So if I square and add them, obviously this we will get greater than 0. X and y are real and unequal, any numbers they may be, but the squaring and adding will make them positive. Furthermore, if we add 2xy on both the sides, then we can say that x plus y whole square is greater than 2xy. Ultimately, x plus y whole square is greater than upon 2xy. This is greater than 1. If we use this thing here, then we get that sin theta is greater than 1, which is impossible. Sin theta, its value is always less than 1 and greater than minus 1. This is what the criteria for the sin theta is. Its value lies between minus 1 and 1, but it cannot be greater than 1. Hence, the given question, such value of cosec theta is impossible.